Lesson 5 of the free NMLS SAFE course. ECOA, the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, Regulation Be Fair lending shows up all over this exam, and ECOA questions turn on three things: the list, the signature rule, and the clock. First, the list. ECOA prohibits discrimination on 9 bases: race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age, receiving public assistance income, and exercising your rights under consumer credit protection law in good faith. The exam's favorite trick is to make